damn thing.
Alright, one more time. Ready?
Yeah, go do it again.
I feel like
okay, one more time.
Here it
Let's
goes.
Oh no! So like snagged him.
My hair.
Sorry.
Oh, look at him flapping one wing. He looks hurt.
Oh no.
Don't hit the bird.
I am
Just hit the.
Where'd
You
he
might
go?
hurt him with
He's
your
back.
jacket.
You back up there?
Yeah.
Mary, you could hurt him with your jacket.
He needs to come back
Now,
around.
where's he
He's
at?
in that
Over
corner.
there.
He needs to come back around this way.
This is pointless. They're never gonna catch the bird.
Oh, there he is on the tire.
They've already been out here for like 20 minutes.
I know.
It seems like.
Oh, God.
Did you see the wheel on that tire? It was like cockeyed.
I'm way too slow at this.
Yeah, so is she. She's like doing after the bird
I
flies
know. I'm
over.
getting closer now though because I'm timing it better.
Whoa, where'd he go? Oh, he's up there now?
Oh shit. If we would just fly on down through that hole.
He's like, why don't y'all just leave me alone so I can do it by myself? That's what the bird said.
Oh. You on that tire? Yeah.
Where you go?
Here's the phone back. Thanks. What happened to your jacket?
Ranger did that after he bought it.
It's right here.
Yeah, I think I
See him?
remember having that happen.
I don't.
Right there.
Actually, what was that? Fling it. Yeah, Ashley, you can't reach them from there.
Yeah, I know.
I sort of reach up and grab his tail.
I know.
They're never gonna catch this bird. I keep telling them.
Damn.
Devil.
It's not.
I know. It's entertaining to watch though.
It is funny.
It keeps him from coming over this way. You know?
He's like, hey, you can shake it, I'll still sit there.
I'm waiting for one of these spikes to fall.
And both of them are gonna hit the beam.
back
We
over
need
there.
like a net.
No, he just swirled around.
Bends.
Like a
He landed
butterfly
over there,
net.
didn't he? Yeah. Is he right there? Sneak attack.
Don't hit him. He flew away from her before he could get him.
I
You
didn't
gonna
want to
kill
him.
him?
I wasn't going to kill him. If I want to kill him, I'm going to hit him
wrestle.
this way. I'm going to break my broom here. What are you filming this?
Yep.
Where'd you go?
Dummy's trying to catch a bird.
It's like right out-
Yeah, I'm
right
not
outdoors.
included in that
You
one,
see video,
thankfully.
buddy?
It's right there.
It does, but it's not a bat.
Yeah, yeah. I just feel like
yeah.
It's got huge fangs! Oh my god! Everybody get out of the house! That was funny. And he like, they put baskets on their heads and stuff, like, covered up. Make sure they didn't get rabies or anything. Little bird's like, oh my god. He is freaking out.
Yes, you got him. I knew
Alright,
that.
there's his tail, there's his tail, there's his tail.
Careful.
Yeah, just like,
Just take it out.
yeah, just
don't-
don't.
I don't even-
Oh, you little shit! Oh, I couldn't grab him. I saw his tail.
Let's see how many
I
times
didn't
that's
want to
gonna
crush him.
We
happen.
got it. Now we know the technique.
Yeah, let's see how many times that technique will come into play.
Here it comes.
Oh, I thought I had him again.
Yeah.
He caught him.
All right, he's
Oh,
down
there
here.
you go. Get him now.
He's down
Yeah.
here.
He caught him like right here. He's like, oh, I wanna hurt him.
Oh.
And then it like got out and
But I
it
couldn't
started
see it.
flying around again.
That's why you guys were screaming.
Oh.
I
Yeah.
thought maybe it was in the car.
Yeah, I would have just been laughing about that.
I thought he was gonna
So you're good.
Oh, that would be
This bird's
that
like,
would be bad.
I know.
Then it would have a lot more space to fly around in. And the dogs would probably try to
Yeah.
oh shit.
He's like, oh,
Where'd he go? Okay, there he is.
okay, got the. Yeah, actually, you might as well just stop. You're stuck with that. Okay.
Where's he at?
He's up there.
Be gentle.
That's what I was doing. And he got out. Oh, he's on the way out.
You guys are never gonna leave. That's unfortunate.
Almost.
Oh, shit! There.
Go, 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 go!
Oh, get it out! Get it out!